In today's video I'll show you how to pause game downloads on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. Let's get into the method. Press the PlayStation button first on your controller to open the control center. This appears at the bottom of the screen, and you can scroll through the icons until you get to the one called Downloads Uploads. Select this, and then in the Downloads section, look for the game you want to pause. It will be the one that says how much time is left. Select this game here, then select it again to bring up more options. From this menu, choose Pause, and now this game will stop downloading until you resume it. You can resume it from here in the future, or select the download option on that game's page. If you have other downloads queued, these might now start automatically, so you might need to pause these as well. That's how to pause game downloads on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.